everyone, welcome back to my channel today. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how to make an arepa dominicana. Arepa dominicana is sort of like a cake, but it's made out of corn, not using like traditional cake ingredients. And it comes out kind of like a cake, but you can make it sweet or you can make it salty. And basically you can eat arepa as a side dish, or you could eat it for breakfast. I typically like to have arepa for breakfast, but in today's video I'm going to be making with you a sweet arepa, which is also one of my favorites to eat. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. And also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And now let's get into how I make an arepa. So these are the ingredients that you're going to need in order to make arepa dominicana. You need yellow cornmeal, or harina de maíz. You need some cinnamon sticks. You can use just regular milk, but it's much creamier when you use carnation milk as well, so I'm going to use both of them. Also coconut milk, a little bit of salt, sugar, and of course your raisins. The first thing you will do is pour 2 cups of the harina de maíz, or cornmeal, into a tall enough non-stick pan. With the heat on high, pour some water, just a little bit, to wet it and mix with a spatula. This step is optional. Next, you will pour all the milks in any order. You will need 2.5 cups of coconut milk and 3.5 cups of the other milk. If you use evaporated milk and regular milk, you can do half and half of each. That equates to about 1 can of evaporated milk and the rest regular milk. You can add 1 and 1/2 cup of sugar, or to taste, depending on how sweet you like it. Add about half a teaspoon of salt. Continue mixing everything while you add all the ingredients. Also add 3 tablespoons of butter. It's probably easier if it's pre-melted. I had a hard time. I had to wait until it melted because I didn't melt it beforehand. Then you can add the cinnamon sticks and the raisins. Keep mixing it often so it doesn't stick. Lower the heat when you see the bubbles start forming. Continue mixing until you see it forms a thick consistency. Once it's thick enough, pour it into a baking pan and even out the surface. The oven should have been preheated to 350 degrees. Once you put it in the oven, leave it in the oven for about 30 to 40 minutes, or until the top is golden. To check if it's ready, insert a toothpick or a knife in the center of the arepa. If it comes out clean, then it's ready. Take it out of the oven and let it rest for a little while. if you try to eat a piece or cut it while it's still hot, it's gonna be very mushy. You want it to cool down so that it hardens a little bit. So that's how you make arepa dominicana. I hope you enjoyed this video today, and I hope if you try it, it comes out really delicious. Let me know how it turned out for you and how you enjoyed it in the comments down below. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!